Nothing, maybe it's just disconnected. Let's have a look.
And every time you open up a bonnet in this car, you get a hard willy.
Love you, baby. It was love at first sight. Just lean against him a little and just be with him mainly. Love you.
Okay, let's see why it doesn't work. Get a screwdriver quickly.
We have our times when we get sexual.
Does that feel good? You're a handsome man.
Okay, so first thing to do is just completely take out this.
Love you, baby.
What we do the most often is I like to lean over his fender and across his hood and do little things like that. And
air intake without breaking it.
and kind of press up against him and rub against him like that.
Like this. Or he just pulls out like this. Just fuck all to break, really. Okay.
One of his more bold positions is for me to be underneath him. He really likes that. It's very special to make love to Chase.
So this just twists off. And there's a bulb. I don't know, it does look a bit fucked, to be honest with you. I don't know, it does look a bit fucked, to be honest with you.
Friend, because it's not normal, and you may have people that don't understand and make fun of you.
Just, well, it looks like a cheap, dodgy, crappy Chinese bulb anyway, so let's just change it. We're gonna have one in the box. I think it's this one. Oh yeah, it's this one. Okay, so let's give it a go. So we'll put this bulb in, and it doesn't work. Most probably because this bulb is kaput. And yeah, it looks like it's so bad.
Nathaniel's so attached to Chase, he rarely lets anyone else drive him, and never lets Chase out of his sight for more than 24 hours.
So let's put another one in. Okay, dudes, we have a bit of a fucked up situation. So both of these bulbs seem to be fucked. And out of all of this stuff, all these cars...
Bro, the fucked up situation is in your fucking stupid head. Anyone who knows about old BMWs knows that until you put the bulb into the actual socket, so it makes contact with the metal, it will not work. So here's me wasting a lot of my fucking time thinking I had fucked up bulbs.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, look at this, look at that. It's fucking coming, I think. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yes, 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 yes.
At least the only thing the same in BMW and Renault is the bulb.
Oh yeah, guys, it was the same one. So I'm really hoping that it's gonna fucking work now. Probably now the battery went dead. I'm gonna start wearing my action cam soon. I promise you, so you can see everything. So just connect it back. So look if it works. Oh fuck.
Yes, oh fuck. This is because you're an absolute and utter stupid fuck. You need the metal to touch the metal. Oh my god.
Dudes, it does not work.
Your fucking brain does not
it's weird.
work. shove it in there and it will work.
Oh no, but it should be, and I think we've had that problem before. It's not gonna work because it's only gonna work when it makes contact.
Yes, finally
Yeah, I
it
remember
registered.
having this problem
Do
before.
not smoke too much weed
Fucking
when
stupid.
working
So
on
now
your
when we
power
put it in,
supply.
it should hopefully come on. Alright dudes, we're changing the light bulbs again. I've just taken this out. It looks okay actually. So I'm just thinking maybe it's the fuse that's coupled. You never know. Let's put this one in. See if there's any difference. So the new bulb also doesn't work. I reckon it's the fuse. So before you go around changing lights, check your fuses first. So we can see that these two are kaput. Brown ones, 7.5 amperes. So you need to change these, and then your lights should work. Okay, get yourself this little tool like this. I got it from the lovely E39 because we didn't have one here, but we will. We'll put it here. So 10 and 11 both kaput.
It's enough to make a man go crazy. Numb to it cause of everything I'm seeing lately.
So the other thing that's faulty is horn, and that's number 9. That's 15, and this looks fine. So I guess the fault is not in the amp.
Fuse, you foreign twat.
Okay, so let's just change our bulbs now and see what happens. Right, so this one's working now, but this one's not working now. So switch it off again. Maybe this one will work. Okay. Here we go.
My triple B niggas.
Oh yes. Oh yes. It's working, baby.
So 9 times out of 10, if it's not the bulb, it's the fuse, dudes.
Fog light isn't.
Look, you foreign idiot, it is not fog light.
Oh yeah, I need to show you. To change this, you basically twist it. Yeah, so when it's in there, just twist it and it comes out like this. So that's the bulb we need to change in there. So let's go and find another one of these. Okay, so stick this back in. Hey guys. Oh yeah, you've been spending money again. Wasting money again. Yeah, it's nice.
It's my neighbor Richard. Fucking loves it. Basically, you need to be a fucking gay gynaecologist to get this fucker in.
Come on.
Luckily I am. Oh, there goes my clients.
Hey the hell me. Trying to fix this boxy car again, never works. It's actually quite fiddly. You need to get it into the grooves and then push it in and twist it. So hopefully this is all sorted now.
My triple B niggas.
Oh yes, everything is on. Let's quickly check just the fogs. Not fogs, I mean marker lights. Yeah, all working. And that's it. Always first check the fuses, don't be a bellend.